Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure to fix Chromebook not charging. If your Chromebook isn't charging, then to fix it so you have to follow these steps. First of all, make sure the charger cable is properly plugged into both the Chromebook charging port and the wall outlet. Likewise, you could also test the power outlet by plugging in another device to ensure it's working. If it is not solved, then you could also try using a different charger or power adapter to see if the issue lies with the charger itself or not. However, if the issue still persists on, you could also inspect the charging port for any debris or damage and gently clean it with a toothpick or compress air if needed. If the issue still persists, what you want to do is you could go with the hard reset. That is, if your Chromebook is on, you want to shut it down completely. So you could try hard reset. While the Chromebook is off, hold down the power button and refresh the key simultaneously for about 10 seconds. And after which, what you could do is you could release the key and allow the Chromebook to reset. That should be able to help you out. If not, you could also check the battery status, that is, verify if the battery is being charged by looking for a charger indicator, lightning on a Chromebook, or in a battery status in a status bar as well. If the issue still persists on, then the other alternative is to directly contact the support team and they should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.